Haraka. Yapi?
Hadi mati teradu. Bahna ternuno.
afar biloodna waan joogaa labarkow markaan imaaday WFP baa isiisay kaarkaas baan biilanaa wax kale ma haysano shaqo ma haysano kaarkaas baan caawiyay saakayna lacagti baa laygu soo shubay waana kala soo baxay raashin baan kusoo bedeshay
It's a desperate situation. The World Food Program is feeding about 2.3 million people right now per day, but funds are short, and if we do not receive the funds we need, we're talking about a situation that'll be potentially much worse than the famine that took place in 2010, 11, and 12 when 260,000 people died, and literally half of those died before the famine was declared. We're looking at multiples much worse than that with the numbers that we're seeing now. So we need the money and we need it now.